Awesome first attempt. The first attempt on our mega jump.
Oh, that sucks.
Fail. All right. Keep going. Keep filming.
Yep, I'm doing it.
All right. Okay, second attempt. All right, here we go.
Nice.
Okay, 6 steps slow.
All right, we're doing attempt number 1 on our awesome other jump.
Ramp.
All right, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. First attempt.
Okay, we got this.
Oh.
Really bad.
Okay, pretty good, but it wasn't very good.
Nick, no, don't. Okay, I'll bring it back. Don't make it go back. It's actually
Nick,
dead.
how do you feel?
It's basically
about
dead.
this?
Now it's dead. No, it's not. Nick, stop doing that. You're wasting batteries. What are you doing?
Okay, let's go.
That's just high speed.
Hmm.
Oh my
Well,
god.
how long will it take to recharge?
A few hours.
Okay, well, I think we gotta stop the video here because
Yeah.
it's kind of out of charge. So,
Bye.
bye.
But we might add on to it.
We might add on to it. All right. So, yeah, we're gonna post this on Instagram. Okay.
No, we're
bye.
not.
Bye, guys.